What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm finally gonna be getting a new wheel setup for the G. Well, I mean a new tire setup, because I told you guys in the last video that these tires are pretty bad. They're bald almost, and they're just not really a good brand tire to run, you know, with boost. This was my NA setup, so obviously, you know, I had to switch it up. I'm actually gonna drive out and go get the pair of tires for the front, which is really gonna be for the rear. It's about an hour drive almost, so I'm out early because I didn't want to, you know, drive it in the heat because it's gonna be a pretty hot day today. I know y'all see my guy just chilling. I don't know whose cat it is, but it followed me straight out my house. Like, as soon as I walked out, it just started following me. I don't know what I should name him. I was gonna start my car right now, but like I don't want to scare my guy. Like, it was up to the vlog, my guy. Simple. All right, now that he's out the way, I'm gonna start it up. Hopefully you don't, you know, run away or nothing like that. Oh, see, look at him. I don't know. I'm telling you, bro, you're gonna want to move away. It's literally right next to the tollgate, bro. I'm dead. Bro, he didn't even, he must be watch the vlogs. Got that cold start for y'all. Also, might get a car wash today because, yeah. All right, so almost ready to go. Y'all don't worry about this, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if you watched the video long enough, or, you know, my last video to see why, you know, I explained why it's like this. But yeah, it'll be fixed soon. Don't even worry about it. Almost ready to go though. Almost there. I don't know if I need to get gas. I'm gonna just get gas. Just because, I guess, I don't know. But, all right, let's get it. I don't never do this. Y'all do this? I don't do this. It don't work. Wait. I don't never do that. For y'all who don't know, yes, I am on E85. Yep, been on E85 since I've been in tuned. Since I first got tuned, I've been on E. So I've been on E for like a year and a half, or a little bit over. It is getting expensive, to be honest. $289. Sheesh. I'm low-key thinking about changing up the tail light. I might sell these and just redo another pair, because like these aren't perfect, because these were my first pair that I did. So you could DM me on Instagram if you want anything, you know, like similar to this, or, you know, just halos and the stock tail lights or whatever. Oh, I guess I didn't even need that much. Didn't really need gas. So. Oh. Okay. All right, y'all. So I pulled up to the place right now. I'm about to get the tires. It's called A1 Motorsports. Never been here before. It's kind of a far drive, but I see the tires in the shop right there. So go ahead and pick those up real quick. So I got both of the tires. Like I said, I only need 2 new ones. Like these have, you know, a decent amount of tread on it, so these are going to be going on those, and then, like I said, I'm gonna be throwing those in the rear. So yeah, let me just load them up. It's like super hot outside right now. It took me longer to get the tires and stuff because I had to go to the bank. So oh shit, so I just want to, you know, wet the intercooler a little bit. It's like really hot. So. And I literally have like extra water bottles in here. It's like old water bottles I always keep on me just in case anything. I don't even know if it does anything, honestly. What the hell is that? Hell, something that flew up in my shit. I don't know if that even does anything. Y'all can roast me in the comments if y'all think that was stupid, but It's hella hot, like honestly, like look, it's freaking 94 right now. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, bro. Not having AC in this type of weather is not it, bro. Like, it's literally not it. I'm dying. Yeah, so I pulled up to the car wash because it's like a million degrees outside for some reason. So I just pulled up to the tire shop, Andy's. It's a pretty popular shop. Just waiting on him to pull up right now so we can get these mounted. Man, this thing is shining right now. Like, look at the roof. Going crazy. It's all clean finally. Can't wait to get these on. I noticed that I'm missing a wheel stud. That shit broke off. I didn't even notice until now. But I have extra, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace that. I'll probably replace it either later today or tomorrow. And yeah. Okay. So I also picked up some new lugs. Just because the other ones are all, or I didn't really like the other ones, to be honest. These are just some basic lugs. Unfortunately, I do have a screw in this tire. I didn't even notice. But he just tried pulling it out and it poked all the way through, and it's gonna be leaking air. So hopefully, I don't know if they can patch it up, but we'll see. Ready? It's ready? Oh yeah, it looks good right there. Yeah. No stretch. But these tires are actually gonna get flipped too. So, cause this side kind of doesn't have that much life. Alright, so we got both of the rears. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, I like it. So I might have to take these spacers off. Yes, I do run spacers. I forget what size they are, but I think it says right there. These are 20 millimeter, so I might have to take those off. I don't know if I'm gonna be rubbing or not. I know you guys see these clapped rotors. I actually ordered some new rotors for the Brembos. They should be here in a few weeks, hopefully, or you know, sooner than that. But we'll see. Hopefully the fitment is good. Yeah, doesn't look bad. I had to take the spacers off. I mean, doesn't look bad. All right, guys. So I'm back at my house now. It's a really hot day, so you know, I'm just gonna let the car chill out, and I'm gonna do a little POV drive again for you guys. You know, because I want to test out the new tires. I didn't get a chance to do a pull because, you know, like I said, it's like 1,000 degrees out here in Cali. But so far though, the tires, they feel pretty solid. I mean, like I said, I didn't do any pulls, but they feel cool. But man, the wheel gap, bruh. The fitment is not it, low-key. I need it to be a little bit more out. I'm definitely gonna get, like, I don't know, maybe a 5 millimeter spacer. I'm not sure. Gotta fix that. And the front definitely needs some work as well. As you can see, unacceptable. Don't mind, you know, the outside of the tire looking a little bit bald. That's because of the camber wear. And the other side of the tire actually has a lot of tread, so it should be solid. I'm gonna let it cool down, and then I'll come back to you guys, and we could, you know, do a POV drive and test out the new setup.